All right, Mike from Blue Line Racing. I have a little bit of a road bump. Talk about our racing experience yesterday, and we're right now in Texas, but developed a little bit of a leak on the radiator. So it's got to get pulled out of the truck. I'm here with Todd at Redneck Diesel, and we're 10 minutes from Extreme Raceway, so it was real handy to be here. And these guys are going to take care of me really good. Really, what happened was the radiator corroded out. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so you guys running around in the salt up there, it'll end up getting in on the fins, and you can see some of it here on his condenser that is starting to eat away at the fins. So the cooling capabilities completely go away once these fins are gone. Once Harley gets this out of the truck, we'll get a little bit closer up of what's happened. All right, so you can see here that all the stuff is just falling away out of this. So if you run your finger down, it just falls away. So if you guys are having cooling problems, and you got to really look for this, sometimes they'll even do it on the other side in between the charge air cooler, and it gets even harder to find. But you can see that there's no way this radiator is cooling the way that it should. We already got the new radiator here for him, because he's trying to get up to Tulsa for No Prep Kings. But we get this radiator, we also get another condenser because for some reason Canadian wants AC down here in this hot weather.